This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve connection errors in Call of Duty. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions or slow speeds. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This may include enabling quality of service (QoS) on your router, prioritizing gaming traffic, and using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Step 3. Update game and console. Make sure that your game and console are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix connection issues, so keeping your game and system updated can help resolve errors. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switching to a different DNS server can improve your connection. You can use public DNS servers like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 to see if it enhances your connection stability. Step 5. Contact support. If you continue to experience connection errors after trying the above steps, reach out to the game's support team. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or inform you of any ongoing server issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate connection errors in Call of Duty, leading to a smoother gaming experience.